guys, I just caught a tiny little chub on a wax worm. So I'm gonna let this guy go and see if we can't catch a bigger one. We're gonna catch some chubs. You still got a worm on there?
I don't definitely think it is.
No, that's a tiny little bluegill.
I can't believe I still have worm on there. Caught like 5 fish. Got some big eyes.
Yep. When you're fishing for chub, just toss it down here in the shallower water. Yeah.
David? I want to make some fish McBites with that thing.
Fish mites.
Wait, what'd you say?
Just toss it right in here.
Oh. Here.
A little farther out in Ingledorf.
Oh, I see how it is.
Don't set the hook so hard. It's a tiny little bluegill. Again.
Dude, where'd these all come from?
I don't know.
From last night to now, it's like the baby's growing like... This one's smaller than the last one. Oh my god. High five.
He's got a chub.
Duckies, you want it? Duckies, you want it?
Those duckies aren't gonna eat a fish. Just take it up, bro.
I love how they're like watching us.
Let's get a close-up of that fishy to show our viewers what a chub is. Get over here, you little... That right there is a horny head chub. A little baby one. We are fishing on the Shiawassee River. And we're going to try and catch some bigger ones.
But just keep on going. You not grab it or something?
Are you videotaping?
Yes, I'm videotaping.
Alright guys, we got a bass here. Looks like a nice one. Oh man.
Holy god, dude! Oh my god! Dude, we should have brought a freaking bucket, dude.
Dude, this thing is huge.
Dude, oh my golly.
Oh god.
Dude, that's crazy. How you just so happen to get one of those?
I don't know, man. I was just jigging that, man.
Let me get a picture of that too, man. I'm gonna take a picture with it.
Oh, dude, that's at least a 15-incher.
Alright, hold on, let me get a picture of that. Dude, I don't know how you freaking caught that. Do you want me to stop videoing?